Now, do you need to use a fish tape every time you fish down a wall from the attic on down or anything like that? No. If you have interior walls that don't have any insulation in them, chances are your wire just by itself, you'll be able to dangle it and it will drop straight down. But if you have insulation in your wall, you've got to use a fish tape. It's so easy. Well, a lot easier than if you didn't have it, and maybe impossible to do your job if you didn't have a steel tape such as this. You got to get one of these. You guessed it, it's nighttime again. Joe's out doing some more work at night just to bring it to you. I've got the second TV up now. I'll show you that tomorrow. But, just some time to relax a little bit. Got one more TV downstairs to do. I've got both bedrooms done and they look really good. I'll show you tomorrow, like I say. All right. See you later.